A newly polished pot is about to be hammered full of dents. This is not child's play, but a serious craft. It must be said, Lal Bar really racks his brain to make videos. These handmade aluminum pots may be old, but from the cut, they could last to more uses. But out with the old, in with the new. Making new pots from this material is no waste. As you can see, Lal Ba's workshop usually melts down recycled scrap. After pouring into the furnace, it takes less than a year to get a soup like this. For production efficiency, he uses centrifugal casting. For the upper half, molten aluminum is poured slowly, while the mold spins rapidly. Even with a cylindrical shield, the process is still quite dangerous. Centrifugal casting uses centrifugal force to fill the mold cavity. For low precision, simple, symmetrical objects, it's more efficient than sand casting. After demolding, many burrs remain. To refine it, workers use a lathe. Unlike woodturners, they wear helmets early for safety. Long before starting. During the whole process, the thickness cut is judged entirely by the worker, and they can finish hundreds per day. As for precision, they can keep error within a micron by eye. For the bottom half, Lal Bai uses machine pressing. Under high pressure, a piece is formed in under a minute. After sawdust cleans off the oil, the excess rim is removed. Finally, the upper half fits perfectly on top. The size is exact. How are they joined? Just like this. By welding. With skillful hands, the weld is smooth, 1 or 2 minutes per seam. Then the pot is cleaned. Alkaline solution removes grease and dirt. Acidic solution removes the oxide layer. After treatment, the pot looks brand new. After rinsing and drying, masters hammer the welds. Since aluminum is quite malleable, the seams flatten easily. Next, the worker polishes the pot. All by hand, bold and skilled. Finally, as seen at the start, hammering produces rows of fish scale dents. This is both decorative and strengthens the pot, increasing the heating area and thermal efficiency. Such a pot, in normal use, could last 2 or